Hi there, I'm Ross Woodfield. Welcome to Blackwell Global's daily market update. Starting off with oil today, and the commodity was sold off once again as the crude oil inventory figure was released. The Energy Information Agency released their weekly figures, which showed a solid 8.03 million barrel build in inventories, well up on the 3.8 million expected. WTI crude oil touched a 3-week low as it fell to as low as $45.21 a barrel before pulling back to close the day at $45.80. The market response was relatively subdued, given that this time of year generally sees a large build-up of inventories as refineries shut down for maintenance. Turning now to the Canadian dollar, and it lost over 120 pips against the US dollar thanks to the Bank of Canada. The central bank kept interest rates on hold, which was largely expected by the market. The weakness in the loonie came thanks to comments from Bank of Canada's governor as he downgraded Canada's growth forecast for the next 3 years. He also said that the output gap would not close until around mid-2017, later than previously expected. On the whole, this was a rather dovish statement and potentially opens the door for further rate cuts if things deteriorate. And taking a look at the euro now, and it slipped lower as the sentiment continued to swing back towards the US dollar. The euro could see some sharp volatility in the European session later on tonight, as the European Central Bank will meet to discuss monetary policy. They're not expected to make any changes to policy, however there is some expectation that Draghi could hint at adding to QE in the months ahead. Any talk of further stimulus will be detrimental for the euro and put the bullish trend line under pressure. And finally today, our analyst pick is the US dollar yen pair. The yen has been under considerable pressure over the last week, with some poor results from the industrial sector and the bullish US dollar. The pair has now run headfirst into the bearish trend line, and that has remained largely intact since late August. We believe this will hold firm and the pair will form another bearish leg downwards. That's all we have time for today. For Blackwell Global, I'm Ross Woodfield. Thanks for watching.